Okay, welcome. I want to show you how to add a Throbber to Firefox. Here we go. This is Arch Linux distribution. You have to download the Throbber application in your home. In my zip, I have to open Firefox. This is my brandized version of Firefox with the branded icon, the mascot icon. I want to add the Throbber now. This is my home. I download Throbber zip. Now copy and take about support to find my profile folder. Okay, open profile and Chrome folder. You have to add one. If there is no Chrome folder in the profile, you have create a new Chrome folder. Okay, paste the Throbber and unzip here. Open and unzip the two files and one folder here inside, and you are open user Chrome CSS, and you have two groups of setup, the tab bar and the open menu button. Now there is enable this red one, Netscape and Netscape, and close and reopen Firefox. You have the Netscape Throbber here and the Netscape Throbber also here. Okay, you have to change. You have to go to the Mozilla mascot. You have to copy this symbol here, and to delete the spacing is not important, but is very cool. You have to select Mozilla Throbber here and Mozilla Throbber here. Okay, and save, and we will start Firefox again. Here we go, and you have the Mozilla Throbber. Very nice, very cool. This like here, the same branded logo is very cool. And after in the loading icon, it is very cool loading icon here. You can see and here, and you have to change another. You have to paste here, and try the Seamonkey 2, 1 and 2. You have also can mix the two settings. Save and reopen. And you have no. So I have to close all the window and reopen. Okay, the Seamonkey loading icon here. Also here, very nice. And you have you can also mix like here and only Seamonkey here, and leave the Mozilla here, and resave. Reopen Firefox, and you have here Mozilla and loading for Seamonkey. Seamonkey 1 is like different, but a bit similar to 2. Let me show. Seamonkey 1. Okay, and Seamonkey 1. Let's save and again restart. Is a little different style. Okay. See you to the next tutorial with Linux and outside.net.